Hey folks, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, it is 2 in the morning, your phone lights up with a crystal clear 2000 pixel alert of someone lurking in your driveway, floodlights blast on, a siren wails to scare them off, and you tap to talk them down from bed, all wired for power but no monthly fees eating your wallet. That is not a dream, that is the Arlo Wired Floodlight Camera doing what it does best. If you are sick of blurry night footage or subscriptions that add up, stick around because this beast might just be the security upgrade your home has been begging for. And yes, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us light it up. First, let us break down the features that make the Arlo Wired Floodlight Camera a total home guard. This is not your basic bulb cam. It is a hardwired powerhouse with a 2000 by 1000 resolution for sharp day or night video, 2 adjustable floodlights hitting 4000 lumens to illuminate up to 70 feet, and dual motion sensors with customizable zones to catch everything from packages to prowlers. Color night vision kicks in automatically when lights trigger, so you see full color details even in pitch black, and the built-in siren blasts 100 decibels to deter intruders on command. It connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with a 130-degree field of view, and the Arlo app lets you arm zones, set schedules, get instant alerts, and talk two-way with crystal mic and speaker. Weatherproof at IP65, it handles rain, snow, or heat from -4 to 132 degrees Fahrenheit, and the quick release mount installs in minutes with included screws. No hub needed, just plug into a standard outlet, and it is live. Storage is flexible, local micro SD up to 128 gigabytes or optional cloud, starting at $3 a month. I mounted mine over the garage, wired it in 20 minutes, and caught a raccoon raid in full color with lights on. Alerts came fast, siren worked like a charm. Overall, it is pro-level protection that blends into your home while lighting up threats. Now, pros and cons, because real security means knowing the full picture. On the pro side, the 2000 pixel clarity and color night vision are game changers. You see faces or plates clearly, and the 4000 lumen lights double as porch illuminators. Motion zones cut false alarms from cars or leaves by 80%. Two-way talk feels like a doorbell everywhere, and the siren is loud enough to wake the block. At around $150, it is a steal for wide reliability without subscriptions for basics, with easy app setup and IP65 toughness. Users rave about the quick install and how it deters porch pirates. Bottom line, it boosts safety, saves money, and feels empowering without the hustle. The cons, fairly lit, $150 upfront for one cam, though bundles drop it and it needs a nearby outlet, extension cords work but add clutter. Wi-Fi must be strong, weak signals lag alerts by 10 seconds. No battery backup, so power outages mean no lights or recording, and the siren is effective but not as customizable as some. A few noted the floodlights glare in close-up night shots. These are small shadows in a bright spotlight. So, do I recommend the Arlo Wired Floodlight Camera? 100% yes, especially if you want sharp, lit-up coverage without monthly fees and your home has outlets near entry points. The pros like color vision and siren power far outweigh the cons for homeowners, parents, or anyone serious about deterrence. It is a security staple that pays off in peace. If that lights you up, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick call to action, if this security scoop got you vigilant, smash subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next home hack. Clicking that affiliate link helps the channel huge and costs you nothing extra. One last reminder, grab the Arlo Wired Floodlight Camera through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this brightened your setup, drop a like, share with a safety seeker, or subscribe for more. Stay lit!